Hello friends, my name is Darshan and you are watching my channel Placement Talks, where I will be sharing daily job notifications and internship updates on daily basis. So before that, one small notification: if you are not subscribed to our channel, then please go to our channel and click on subscribe and press the bell icon, because I will be updating daily job notifications. Some jobs have some application limit. If you are not subscribed, you will be not receiving the notification on time. That may be causing application closing. So let us see today's video. So IBM is hiring internship for the batch of 2021 freshers. The 2020 batch can also apply. The organization is IBM and you will be a intern. You will be a working in a squad of their own group. So the job location would be Bangalore. So here are the some of the role and responsibility if you are selected. You will be a part of group which will be located in Bangalore. You will be involved in analysis, programming and testing and various coding domains. You will be collaborating with other teams as well. So now let us check the some of the eligibility and required technical skills for this role. You must be a BA or BTech student in computer science or IT branches. So you must be having a mandatorily 70% and above or equivalent CGPA for this. Also no standing backlogs. So some of the skills are: you must be having some programming skills like C, C++ or anything, some basic knowledge of that, and analytical ability, problem solving ability with proven communication skills, which is very important. And some of the skills are also mentioned in this. You can check it from the description box. I have given the link in the description box. If you are facing any problem at any moment, you can ask me in comment section. I will be very happy to answer them all. So let us check how you can apply for this internship step by step. So for that you need to go to this article which is given in the description box. After that you will be finding two links to apply for this. When you click on the application link, you will be redirected to the official page, which is IBM's official page. Here also you can see all the details of the internship. To apply for this, click on the apply now button. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the application form. Here you can fill this form or you can skip this form. This is to give you the notification. So skip this and apply. When you click on that, you will be redirected to the login page. If you have already account, then you can log in and apply for this. If you don't have any account, then you can sign up, create a new account and proceed to the application form. If you are facing any difficulties, ask me in comment section. I will be helping you from there. So to get other notifications, we have created a Telegram channel where we will be sharing daily job updates and internship updates. So you can join them from my description box. So thanks for watching.